Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video if you want to see how you can use ChatGPT for any translation, then you've come to the right video. And first go to Google and then search for ChatGPT. Once it's done, click on this first one and then click on Try ChatGPT. Now this may take some time depending on your internet connection and the traffic, but once it's done, just say, "Hey, translate this to English," and then paste the text. And once you hit enter, this is going to take some time. And there you go. Whatever I had in the text, it automatically translated it for me. This is how you can type anything, and just you can also say, "Hey, translate this to Spanish," and then you'll see the same thing will be translated in Spanish, and that is all up to you. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.